Iradi. Shito na ayi shushin from the day a year. Sale. Hello guys. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. If you're an old friend, hello. Welcome. So, in today's video, we are going to prepare our lovely shito. But in this shito, we are not going to use any shrimp powder or what's the other one we use. We're not going to use shrimp powder. We're going to use corned beef for our shito today. So this one is quite big. Let's say this is less expensive to make when you make it with corned beef or tuna. So if you don't like corned beef, you can use tuna, or you can go with the old method and use what you want to use, which is shrimp powder and and sour. So let's go into our ingredients. So the main ingredient for this one is going to be our corned beef. I'm going to use 4 of it, and rosemary, a whole of garlic, green pepper, ginger, and some shito green ones. In here I've got some shrimp powder and bay leaves. So, and in here I've got all my seeds, which I picked them up from the shop. It's the masala mix, ground masala mix. So this is it. So if you pick it, it contains fennel seeds, anise seeds, black peppercorns, and I think cloves is in there as well. There's one thing that I do not know the name, that one. So, and star anise. So that is the stuff that is in here. So you got all your seeds in here. So that's what I'm going to use to season my shito as usual. And I've got tomato paste. I picked this one from where you can get it from Asda, Aldi, and all of the shops. So that's tomato paste, and we will be using vegetable oil today. So our main ingredients is our onions. So I've got about 7 onions in this pot. I have to cover it because I prepare it a while ago. If not, the house is gonna smell of onion. So let's start this video. Making it more dry instead of and one tip, if you make this shito, please it doesn't stay long as you know, when you make the other one with the with shrimp powder and the rest, it can stay longer. So this one, I'll advise you to keep it in your fridge. So I've left my gas on a very low heat, and I'll be doing this. Peppers into it so that it will all cook together. Battery died, guys, so I didn't know where. When I put the tomato paste in and stuff, the battery was there. So now I'm adding in the canned beef. It looks like 3 is a lot. I'm thinking to leave some. So I didn't use all 3. I've left some of the thing because it looks like it's a lot. Anyway, we'll just make my shito a lot for me so that I can leave some for. And our spices is going in. Rosemary and oil. I'm going to scoop two spoons and just allow it to give it the smell, the flavor. Oh, this house is smelling. I can't even describe it. It's so nice. I hope you try this shito recipe. It's less cost because you need your canned beef. Even two will be enough. You just use 2 canned beef and you get or if you want a lot, you can. Now no more dead, yeah. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Can you please share, like, and subscribe? God bless you all. Bye.